Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. Before we go any farther in the new year, I want to thank you for all of my subscribers and people who view my videos, and thank them for the time it takes for you to do it during the year. And it's been an incredible year. We've made a lot of way. Have progressed a long ways with this car. And I hope to have it done by the spring. Just got to do a few more things, like finish the hood and get the top on it, and then I'm going to get some tags for it in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to go to Florida this week and get the front bumper. I'm probably going to go up Wednesday and get a bumper I found down there. It's a long ways to go, but you can't find it around here. That's the plan. But before we go any farther in the new year, I want to take the time to thank everybody for subscribing and watching me as I learn and rebuild this 74 MGB. It's been a lot of fun, and look forward to doing this one and maybe a few more. So thanks a lot, and stay tuned. We'll get back with you, and I'm going to work on some of the hood today, and then we'll see if we can't get farther down the road to painting it. Thanks. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Buddy, got back from Florida yesterday, and I got my bumper. As you can see, it's in really good shape. I drove for 10 hours down and back, and it looks really nice. So I've got to get some chrome bolts to put on both corners, but turned out pretty good. A little lopsided. I got to bring this side down a little bit and that one up a little bit, but I think it'll do fine. I think it really sets off the the front of the car, sort of finishes it off. Also, I did the hood. I haven't got the hood set on there yet, but I put some primer on it, as you can see. And once I wet sand it, but it really, I mean, after all the aggravation this hood has given me, it really is starting to look halfway decent. So once I get it bolted down, I'm going to work on this tomorrow. I'm not going to have a chance today, but just want to give you an idea what things look like. So it's coming along, and hopefully we'll get some paint on this and do the top. I'm going to do the hood, and I'm also going to do the trunk lid again, since I had to fix this little place over here that just didn't look right. And so I'm going to spray the whole, I'm going to do this, the hood, probably the fenders, but maybe not. I'm going to do at least the front. There's a couple of areas I want to work on, but overall it looks really good. I got my stereo taken apart, and my ignition key was not working properly, so Moss Motors sent me a new one, so I got to put that in before I put everything back together. But I want to give you a little update for this week, and I appreciate it. Thanks.